Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the cluster, the instrument cluster on a Ford Escape. This one will be for the first generation from 2001 all the way until 2007. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. It will also be the same procedure for Mercury Mariner as well. We upload a new video on our channel, guys, every day. Don't forget to subscribe. So what you first need to do, guys, you need to disconnect the battery and leave it disconnected for probably about 30 minutes before you proceed. So what you need to do, guys, now you need to move the steering wheel all the way down, and right here there is two screws that we'll need to remove with a 7mm socket. So you will need to remove both of them. Those are not very tight. Most of the times you can even do them by hand with a socket. Okay, we'll show you what they look like. That's what the screw looks like, not very long. And once we remove those, we'll be able to remove that plastic trim around the instrument cluster. Okay, almost there. So if you get a prying tool or screwdriver, guys, right there is a few clips, one on this, one on the other side, and as well on top. So you need to just release those. It's pretty tight. Okay, just like that. Start it from the bottom and it will come out, and that's the trim that we're talking about right here. So now there is 4 more screws that we need to remove with that 7mm socket again. Okay, you can see the one that we're removing right now on the bottom. We have 2 of them on the bottom. Okay, they're just the same size like the one we removed on the trim already. That's what they look like. The other one is right here in this hole there. So remove that one as well. After that there is 2 in the corners, one here and one over there that you need to remove. So a total of 4. And all of them are with that 7mm tool, as you can see. You can even use a wrench or those, but socket is way more convenient, so we recommend using a socket. Okay, removing the last one now. And now you can go ahead and pull the cluster. You can grab it and pull it out of there. Just be careful not to break anything. So you need to go a little bit on each side, and it will eventually come out. We need to move the steering wheel all the way down. And after that, that's the wires right here. You need to push down on that little notch and pull that tab, and it will release the wires. And now you can go ahead and remove the instrument cluster, which is right here, guys. So that's how you guys remove it, and you install it the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.